Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Athena Health EMR tutorial for beginner. So first, what is this Athena Health? Athena Health is a cloud-based electronic medical record or EMR and practice management system widely used in outpatient and primary care settings. It combines clinical workflows, patient engagement, billing, and analytics in one unified platform. Now, first is log in and getting started. Log in into athenahealth.com. Then, dashboard overview. Once logged in, you'll see daily schedule, list of appointments, then task list, which is the lab results, messages, refill requests, and lastly the messages and notification, the internal communication and patient updates. Now navigating the patient chart. Search and select a patient. Use the search bar at the top to find a patient by name, DOB or MRN. Click the patient name to enter their chart. Then, for patient chart sections, the summary is a snapshot of conditions, allergies, medications, and recent visits. The vitals is the view and update blood pressure, weight, BMI, etc. Then counter history, previous visit notes, and then counter summaries. The lab and imaging, ordered and completed results, and for the care plan, document ongoing goals and follow-ups. Now on documenting a visit or encounter. First, start a new encounter. From the schedule, click check-in or start visit next to a patient. Then choose visit type, either annual exam, follow-up, etc. Now fill out encounter notes. Input the chief compliant, history of present illness, review of systems, physical exam, and assessment and plan. Tip: use macros and templates to speed up documentation. Now, for orders and prescriptions. Place lab orders, imaging, or referrals. Use e-prescribing to send medications directly to the patient's pharmacy. Now, on managing tasks and in-basket messages, click tasks from the top navigation and then on the handle, lab result reviews, prescription refill approvals, patient messages, and document signing. Use filters to prioritize tasks by urgency or type. Now on patient check-in and scheduling. On the front desk workflow, access the schedule view by provider or room. Click Add Appointment to schedule a new visit. During check-in, verify insurance, collect copays, and confirm patient info. Now on billing and coding integration. Athena integrates coding suggestions during note-taking. It automatically checks for missing document. Superbill is generated at the end of each encounter and claims are submitted directly through AthenaNet. Now for the patient portal. Patients can view lab results, send secure messages, request refills, and view visit summaries. Encourage portal use during check-in for better engagement. Now on report and analytics. Use Athena Insights for performance dashboards, track patient volume, claim denial rates, clinical quality measures. Now, here are some quick tips for new users. Use favorite for diagnose, labs, and medications. Create personalized templates for common visit types. Then keyboard shortcuts can save time. Ask your admin for a cheat sheet. cheat sheet. Then Athena has a role-specific training like admin, billing, clinical, etc. And that's basically it.